This is the Masterclass for the Innovator of the Month contest for the month of September and October. My name is Nitish Chopra. I am a product manager at Avishkaar. A lot of you might already know me. I often conduct the masterclasses for the IOTM contest. But for those of you who don't, I help in making some of these amazing kits that Avishkaar launches every now and then. And that's what I do at Avishkaar. So like I said, the competition is going to have one grand winner, and they'll be getting some amazing prizes. So one of the prizes for the grand winner is a 3D printing pen. I'm sure some of you are tech enthusiasts, so you might already know what this product is. It is a pen with a plastic filament that you can actually use to do 3D printing in real time and create your creations and give them 3D form and give them structure. So you'll be getting this exciting 3D printing pen. The grand winner will also get enrollment to a live online coding course that will go on for 2 months. This coding course would be of rupees 6,000. They'll also get an Amazon voucher worth rupees 500. And finally, they'll get an Avishkaar scholarship worth rupees 1,000 that they can use to buy any of the Avishkaar kits and courses on the Avishkaar website. So these are some of the amazing prizes for the grand winners. Then apart from the grand winner, because each time we get these huge number of entries from all of you, and it's so hard for us to find one grand winner. So we created this concept of special mentions. So apart from the one grand winner, there will be 5 special mentions who will also get an Avishkaar scholarship of rupees 500 to help them in their innovation journey. So that is what sustainability is about. It talks about using all of these natural finite resources that we have on this planet in a judicious way so that we have enough left for the future generations.